or you can just choose a prime number, can't you? Okay? So it doesn't matter what you do. The easy way is just to choose a prime number. But the only thing that you've got to be sure of is that it's actually relatively prime. So we have to select a value E, which is let's just say E and so the greatest common divisor is 1. Once we've got that, then the work really begins. This is very quick stuff there, if you like. Then we've got to find value D such that E times D equals 1 modulo phi of n. Okay? So this is where the work comes in, and this is where we're going to have to do something. Okay? This is just a nice little mathematical equation, and of course the first thing that we're tempted into saying is that, okay, it's a mathematical equation. We should be able to come up with an analytic solution, namely just use some algebraic manipulation, and the value for D should just say, well, D equals, and boom, 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 you're finished. Okay, well, the nice thing about this, at least from the point of view of nice analytic solution, that there's only one way to get it, and that's the hard way, and that you got to go hunt and search for it. Okay, so you've got to do some work here, and you get that. Once you've got that, though, then you have the following. You've got E, and N is the public, and you've got D, and N is the, sorry, let's change that around. Okay, once you have gone through these simple 4 steps, solve this equation, you then solve that equation for D, then you've got this pair E and N, and D and N, for which you can then apply to this equation to encrypt and decrypt. Now, what RSA ensures us, and in particular the result of Shama, is that, hey, those numbers that you get are unique, absolutely unique, and they're not theoretically hard to get, but in practice pretty difficult when you're using suitably large primes. Okay, that's the theory. Now let's go and actually do some computation so we can convince ourselves that we can do it. Before we do that, have I used any notation here that anybody's uncomfortable